Hello everyone. As you all would be aware that the Council for the ISC has released a specimen question paper for class 12th term 2 examinations which are to be held in this year in the month of March and April. So based on that specimen question paper, Goyal brothers Prakashan have released a set of different books in different subjects. Now this is the book for political science. This is basically a question bank with model test papers. This book is based on the reduced and bifurcated syllabus for the academic year 21 and 22. This book includes the chapter-wise summary and question bank. It includes the specimen question paper solved released by the CISCE, and it also includes the model test papers which are strictly based on the specimen question paper. Now let me take you through the book and tell you how the complete book has been designed. To start with, we have the syllabus in the starting. Now this is the reduced syllabus for academic year 21 and 22. If you note, there are two papers, paper 1 theory which is for 80 marks and paper 2 project work which is for 20 marks. So paper 1 theory, the syllabus is given in the starting. You see, all the theory syllabus is given here. After that, we have the project work which is paper 2 which is for 20 marks. So the syllabus for the project work is given here. Now, after the reduced syllabus, we have the bifurcated syllabus. This is for semester 1 and semester 2. The name of the units are mentioned here. The marks for each unit is 40-40 each. Right? So after the syllabus and the bifurcated syllabus, we come to the contents section. Now, this book is divided into three different sections. Section A, the question bank. Section B, specimen question paper. And section C, model test papers. Now, let us go through each section individually. This is section A, which is the question bank. Chapter 1, the Judiciary. If you note, the summary is given here in the starting. Everything is given point-wise. All the important points have been covered here in this summary. It is given point-wise for the simple reason that the child can revise the complete chapter effectively in a very short time. Right? So all the points, important points are given in the starting of the chapter. After that, we have the question bank. Now this is a rich question bank because important questions from the previous year's question papers are included in this question bank. Right? So in the starting of the question bank, we have the multiple choice questions. Now these are 1 mark each type questions. You can see there are around 25 multiple choice questions. Answers for these questions are given here in the grey box. After that, we have again objective type questions which are very short answer type questions. These are again for 1 mark each. All the answers are provided here along with the questions. After that, we have short answer type questions which are for 2 marks each. All the answers are provided along with the short answer type questions. You can see there are many questions for the students to practice. There are 33 short answer type questions. After that, we come to the long answer type questions. Now these are for 4 marks each, and again all the answers are provided along with all the long answer type questions. And lastly, we come to case study based questions. Now here the case studies are given and the answers are provided along with all the case studies. These are for 4 marks each. So these are all case study based questions. Now, after this, we come to section B of the book, which is the specimen question paper solved. Now, this is the same paper which is released by CISCE. So, this is the specimen question paper. Section A is for 8 marks. Section B is for 12 marks. Section C is for 20 marks. Now, this is the solved specimen question paper. After this, we come to the last section of the book, section C, which is the model test papers unsolved. This is model test paper number 1. There are 5 model test papers unsolved based on the specimen question paper released by CISCE. These are unsolved papers for the practice of the students. So the pattern is the same as of the specimen question paper. Section A for 8 marks, section B for 12 marks, and section C for 20 marks. So this is how all the model test papers have been designed. If you wish to book the samples, you can mail us at info@goyal goyal-books.com. If you want to purchase these books online, you can visit the website, which is www.goyal-books.com. Also, please see the description box. All the links for all the subjects are provided in the description box. Thank you so much.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.